Okay, if your Onity Tesla door, hotel door or whatever, house or whatever, you have this kind of like Onity. When you insert the key, it start blinking red and green when you insert the card, you see, and then start green. You can open it, but you have to wait until the lights stop blinking. That means your batteries are running low. You need to replace the battery so it won't open anymore. Okay, then just wait for the flash to start, light to stop flashing, and then you can open it. Soon you're gonna need to replace the batteries. To replace the batteries, there is a screw right here inside. You're gonna open this cover, and there's 4 AA batteries that you need to replace, and then update your lock again.